Hey everyone, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having an amazing day. So today we've got a quick video, but a fun one. I think this is a pretty cool tip here. So new with Galaxy AI, part of One UI 6.1, we have slow motion abilities in our videos. Let me show you what I'm talking about so we're on the same page, and we're going to take this slow motion stuff to the next level. So we'll go into our gallery, and then you want to pick out a video. Right, so I'm going to grab this video. This is just a quick video of me trading something in for Samsung to FedEx. All right, so what we can do here is new with One UI 6.1 is we press and hold, and that initiates this cool new slow motion mode. This is really cool, but it's kind of limited in what it does, right? You're just kind of slowing things down and then going back to regular speed. So what you want to do is just press and hold, and then press the pencil icon. Now what's going to happen now is this opens up Samsung Studio, and we can see that by hitting the three-dot menu, and we have About Studio. So what's really cool here is now we can adjust our speed. So we have 4 different options: quarter, half speed, regular, and ×2 if we want to speed up the footage. So let's go ahead and take this and bring it down to half speed. Now what's going to happen is it's going to throw a little bar right above your timeline. So this is our timeline right here, and this is throwing a little edit bar. And what this is telling us is the amount of length of the clip that we're actually going to initiate the slow motion for. So right now there's only going to be slow motion right here, and we can prove this out by moving our playhead. Here, I'll move it forward a little bit, or I should say backwards. We'll go ahead and press play. We turn up the audio. It's going to slow down right now. Once it gets past that line, it's going to speed back up. So what we can also do is we can tap on this, and we have the ability to add a cut right here, which will split the video in two. We have the ability to delete this section right here with this right icon, the delete trash can. And to the left, we can also adjust the speed again. So we don't have to stick with our half speed. We can adjust it to whatever we want. And what's really cool is we can grab these bars, and we can extend this out to be whatever we want without having to sit there and scrub through the video. Because remember, we can scrub through this, and if you press and hold, it's going to zoom in on your playhead even more, so you can really do some finite tuning of where you want to start and stop. And if you let off, it'll collapse again, so you can get a real good feel of where you want this time change to exactly start and stop. And once you're happy with that, go ahead, hop up here to save. So what this is going to do is this is going to save a copy of this ripped out portion, and it also gives us some verbiage about enabling some more options if we want to save additional copies. So we'll go ahead and hit save. Give it just a moment. It's going to render this new video. Again, this is using Samsung Studio. You're no longer really in the gallery application, so we give it just a moment. All right, so it's all done. It'll automatically start playing on its own. And where we pick that slow-mo section, give it just a second. There it goes. So now we have a saved file for all the edits that we did in Samsung Studio for adjusting our speed. I think this is pretty cool, and you have the share icon right here, so you can go ahead and pass this off to your friends. All right, just a quick little tip for working with slow motion footage in your videos. If you have any questions or comments about today's video, drop them down in the comments section below. I really do appreciate your time, and as always, thanks for watching.